Hello and welcome to this new video where we'll learn how to build REST APIs in Python using Flask-RESTful and Django-REST Framework. Let's start by understanding what Flask-RESTful is all about. Flask-RESTful is a Python library that helps you build RESTful APIs using Flask Web Framework. Here's a simple example of how to create an API using Flask-RESTful. As you can see, we import Flask and Flask-RESTful, then create a simple resource and define its behavior using classes and methods. We also define a URL route and connect it to the resource class. Now, let's see what Django-REST Framework has to offer. Django-REST Framework is a powerful toolkit for building web APIs using Django Web Framework. Here's an example of how to create a Django REST API. First, we install Django and Django REST Framework, then create a Django project and app. We create a simple model, serializer, and views for the REST API. Finally, we define the URL route and include the created views. To recap, we showed you how to create simple REST APIs using Flask-RESTful and Django REST Framework. These tools make it easy to build and maintain APIs in Python. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.